What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to play Catizen on the Telegram. For that the process is very simple. Just open up your Telegram application, and once you do it you will have to go to the search icon on the top right corner. In here just search Catizen, which is Catizen. Once you go on their main channel, you will be redirected to this page. So here you can see that the game is over here. All you have to do is to tap on play for airdrop. Once you do it, the application will be open up. And once the application is open up, you can play different sort of game on the Catizen application. Let's wait till the application boots up completely. Here you can see that my game is now being opened, and you can see there are different sort of cats, and I can do different sort of things like combining same level cats in order to get coins and other stuff. So that is one way to do so. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.